In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WooCommerce 5 minutes. Keeping a reliable backup of your WooCommerce store is essential. It protects your orders, customers, products, and store settings if something goes wrong during an update, a plugin conflict, or a server issue. We'll use a trusted WordPress plugin so you can create a full backup quickly and confidently. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the left-hand menu with options like posts, pages, and plugins. Head to the plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type Updraft Plus WordPress Backup Plugin. This tool is widely used, well-maintained, and makes the process straightforward for both files and database. When you see the plugin, click Install Now and then Activate. Activation makes the plugin available in your dashboard settings so you can run your backup. Next, go to the Settings menu and select Updraft Plus Backups. This opens the plugin's main dashboard, where you can trigger backups, choose what to include, and later restore if you ever need to. Click Backup Now to open the backup options. You'll see checkboxes that let you decide what to back up. Make sure both your files and your database are selected. Files include your themes, plugins, and media uploads, which cover product images and other content. The database contains your store data, orders, customers, products, and settings. Backing up both ensures you can fully restore your store. Before running the backup, choose a remote storage option so your backup isn't stored only on the same server as your site. In the Settings tab, pick a remote destination such as a cloud drive or storage bucket. Follow the prompts to connect your account and then save your changes. Offsite storage gives you a safer copy in case your hosting environment has a problem. With storage set, return to the Updraft Plus dashboard and click Backup Now again to start the process. You'll see progress indicators while it compresses your files and exports your database. The time this takes depends on your site size, but most stores complete quickly. When it finishes, you'll see your new backup listed with separate entries for the database and files. You can download copies to your computer if you'd like an extra layer of safety, and you'll see options to restore if that's ever needed. That's it. You now have a complete WooCommerce backup stored safely off-site, giving you peace of mind before updates or major changes.